everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course. This part 59 order multiple array in forest loop update in Laravel 11, and this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQLi, and this already run localhost PSP. My admin inside this real estate underscore Laravel underscore 11. This is a all database. This database name inside this is all table is available, this 19 table, and this my project is already available. Gem folder inside this htdoc folder inside this is a project, and this project is already open. This my Sublime text editor. Let's minimize and cmd this project directory inside this command prompt. Open this project directory inside this command prompt. Open. Let's PSP artisan serve and enter. This URL is a copy and hit this my browser. Successfully working good. This is a latest version. Let's slash admin login. Admin login. Let's login credential is available. This user table. Click this user table. Inside this login credential is available. Successfully user table is open. Let's copy this, and password is 123456789, and click this login and not now. Successfully login. Let's click this order and this edit, and this please check this previous video. This is a edit. Click this edit, and this database table inside this is a update. Let's step by step this copy URL and web.php. Open route inside this web.php. Successfully available this route. Order controller open inside this function is available. Controller inside this is a order controller. Let's find this. Successfully this is available. Let's admin order edit. Let's resource view admin order and edit. This file is open. Please writing this step by step file. Let's slash edit dot get record. This is already available. Get record. This privacy policy. This copy get record and this paste here. Dollar paste get record, and this ID set. Successfully ID set. Please writing this file. Let's copy this name. Copy, and this is ID is a dynamic set. This method is a post method. Open web.php route post, paste here and slash id, and this order controller copy class, and this order edit already created, and this is a update. Save file. Let's copy this name and inside this new function create public function, paste here $id request $request dd $request all. Save file. Successfully save file and refresh this page, and this is a update. This update. Click this update. Successfully available this product ID, color ID, and this quantity. Let's step by step. This is a implementation in this database name. Same here. Open, and this minimize. This means comment, and already created. This is a created. Let's same here. Copy. This is available. Product ID. This product ID. This color ID is a color ID is available, and this is a quantity is available. Same here. Copy, and inside this is a paste here. But this is a successfully shared, but this is a remove, and inside this find $id. Same here $id save file. This is a working good. This product and quantity is a successfully shared. This is a color ID. Inside this forest loop is a implementation. This database name inside this forest loop is available. First of all, this copy, and inside this available paste here, and this where this name is available. This is a name is a order ID is available. Let's check this order ID is available inside. This is open this order table. Inside this is 3 field is available, product and quantity. This open this order detail. Inside the same here copy and paste here is equal to same here copy save id and delete. Save file, successfully save file. This is the implementation. This is order detail model. Please check this previous video. This model inside this is already available order detail model. This is a close. Unless new forest loop is a implement forest loop, the same here copy same here copy and paste here. This paste here, successfully paste. Let's step by step implementation. Request, this is a request inside this color ID inside this is a find. This is a new record is a create save industry ID. This successfully update save file and refresh this page. This is a mini remove. Please writing this file. Successfully set good working. This function is a good working. Let's back button click this. Inside this is same here implement Vivo mobile white and 554 and update. This is a order update. This is a Vivo mobile and 504 and this white is a successfully order update. Let's change this edit again. This edit, click this edit. Let's Vivo inside this set apple inside this is a 2 color is a implement white as it is, and this is a number is a change 88 and update. Successfully red white and this is available. This is a number is a change and this is a date is a created. This is a updated. This is a date is a created date. Let's this update by default automatically is a update date. Let's edit. Same here 2 color is a remove and update. Inside this 2 color automatically remove. This inside this select update. This is only 2 color is available and this is a file is a update. Good working. This is a record is a successfully updated and this is a remove. Let's click this new implement and update again, and this is a update. This successfully set good working. This is a name number and this is a edit, and this is Vivo mobile. Inside this 54 and this number is a change 99 and this as it is an update. Good working. This is a date is a updated, successfully set, and this date is a less update, and this table is a show. Inside this is a record is a update, and this Oppo mobile and this update. Successfully date is a update, and inside this table entry is a update. Automatically this is a remove and update. This different value is a select. This table inside this update. This table is update, and this color table is available inside this color table and this product table. All good. This is a successfully shared. This is a model is available. This color model, this detail model, and this order model, product model. This is all model is available. Please, this is already include. This all model is inside. This is included. Good working. This is all model. Please writing this file. And this inside this is already order controller, and this control is already inside this included. Any doubt, please contact this my official website errorsolutioncode.com. Inside this Telegram, WhatsApp and Skype is available. Any doubt, please contact in this new project development, please contact in this 7-year experience. And this my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow this all social media link, Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.